On the next Quilt Show is game time for the 2026 Block of the Month.
Becky Goldsmith designed this delightful carnival of colors, and she calls it Game On.
We're so sure that you are going to want to play along with us.
Becky takes you to the heart of the quilt, that fanciful center medallion. See how she assures perfect placement for the appliqué.
Plus, she does some cool trimming tips that makes the work easy.
Then, have you ever wanted to go to Paducah, Kentucky during the epic AQS QuiltWeek? Paducah! Our TQS cameras are giving you a sneak peek at the grandeur and the glory of one of the world's most beloved quilt contests.
If you haven't been to Paducah, you'll definitely want to put this on your bingo card. See the quilts, the fun, and the down-home magic.
2026 is off to the races, and it's
Game on!